In the vibrant city of Heartville, empathy was not just a concept, it was a way of life. People valued understanding and connecting with others on a deep level. At the heart of the city was an unusual character named Emilia, known by all as the Empathy Emissary. Emilia possessed a remarkable gift. She could feel and understand the emotions of those around her. From the joyful laughter of children to the quiet sorrows of the elderly, she sensed it all. Her ability was both a blessing and a challenge. While it allowed her to connect with people in extraordinary ways, it also meant she often carried the weight of others' emotions. One day, Emilia received a letter from a neighboring town called Distantville. The town's mayor, Mayor Caldwell, had heard of her unique abilities and requested her help. Distantville was plagued by conflicts and misunderstandings, tearing the once close community apart. Mayor Caldwell believed that Emilia's empathy could bridge the gaps and bring unity back to the town. With a determined heart, Emilia set out for Distantville. As she arrived, she noticed the tension in the air, the glares exchanged, and the muffled conversations. She knew her task was challenging, but she believed in the power of empathy. Emilia began by simply listening. She spent time with families, merchants, and town leaders, absorbing their stories and emotions. She didn't offer solutions or judgments, she just allowed them to express themselves. Over time, her presence alone began to make a difference. People started to open up, sharing their frustrations, fears, and dreams. As Emilia continued her journey, she identified common threads among the stories. Miscommunication, unspoken expectations, and old grudges were at the root of many conflicts. With her deep understanding of these issues, she started facilitating conversations between opposing sides. One afternoon, Emilia gathered a group of feuding farmers and shared their stories with one another. As they listened to the struggles each had faced, their anger began to fade, replaced by a newfound understanding. Tears were shed, hands were shaken, and agreements were made. The ripple effect was astonishing. As these farmers reconciled, others were inspired to do the same. Emilia's presence and guidance led to a town-wide transformation. The once divided community began to mend. People learned the power of active listening, the importance of validating others' feelings, and the impact of setting aside personal biases. Over time, Distantville blossomed into a place of harmony and unity, living up to its name in a whole new way. With her mission accomplished, Emilia returned to Heartville, where her reputation as the Empathy Emissary grew even stronger. She continued to use her gift to touch lives, not only by understanding others but also by teaching the people of Heartville the art of empathy. She showed that empathy was not just a passive quality but an active force that could heal wounds, build bridges, and transform communities. And so, the tale of Emilia, the Empathy Emissary, became a timeless story of the profound impact of empathy, a reminder that understanding the feelings of others can heal not only individuals but entire worlds.